Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to tablet Navitel T787. First of all, go into Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. First of all, select I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of Nokia and receive next to Send at the bottom of tablet. Now you need to select all of those categories on a Nokia smartphone located at the top. To select multiple files at once from your category, click on those type of dots at the top left corners. When you finished, click on Send next to selected. You can also just click on the chosen files instead. Over here, just tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose the best connection way for you. If you wish to connect using this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key. Then select while using or only this time and point your device's camera at the code. If you want to input this key though, just click on Input key section instead. Type in all of those numbers from Nokia. Click on Receive. Select the best option for your ads. And as you can see, after that, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!